You too will be able to create a kids animated song just like this and more after this tutorial.
Waking up with the sun shining bright, little paws stretch, oh what a sight. Out in the garden where flowers sway, it's a sunny fun for perfect day. Perfect day, let's laugh and play.
And this can be achieved by following the 4 steps I'll be sharing with you in this video. Let's dive straight into it. The first step is getting the lyrics for your song. It's either you write down the lyrics yourself, or if you don't want to crack your brain, then head over to any generative AI and paste this prompt. I said, act like a writer for kids song and suggest 20 different songs about a cat. This can be anything you want to create. Then I'm going to tap on the send button right here. ChatGPT has generated 20 imaginative kids song ideas about a cat. Now the next thing is to paste the next prompt, which is write me a 1 minute 30 seconds, or depending on the length of the song you want. Then select from one of these ideas and ask it to write about it. If you're happy with the song, the next thing is to paste the next prompt that says, excellent, now I want you to generate prompt for the entire song that we use to generate consistent image using Copilot. You can put in any AI image generator you want to use. The idea is just to tell it that you want to generate consistent image and it should give you the prompt. So I'm going to tap on send. It has generated 10 different prompts I can use. The next thing to do here is to copy the prompt and copy the music we generated. Then we move to the next step. The next step is to open your clipboard or wherever it is, paste the lyrics of the song and paste the prompt it generated for you. So you can remove the part you don't want and leave the part you want. I just pasted it in my clipboard and now I'm going to remove some of the parts I don't want in the beginning and all that. So I'm going to remove this part, then come down a little bit, remove the rest of the part. So I can also add whatever I want to add to give it a human touch and all that. Now I'll come to the prompt, remove the part I don't want and add some other things to the prompt as well. I just edited all my prompts. I added Disney cartoon styled image of a white fluffy cat. Then it includes that the cat should have bright green eyes. Then at the end I added tags like 3D, Disney cartoon styled image, HD, colorful. I added it to all my prompts. I added it to everything so that the image generation will be consistent. So if you want to get these prompts that I use in this video, then check the description of this video. You are going to see a link to my Telegram channel. You're going to find the prompt there. Next step is to generate our song, and all the websites I used is in the description of this video as well. So we're just going to copy our lyrics, and when you tap on the link in the description of this video to Suno AI, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. You will be required to sign in with your Google account if you don't have an account previously. So I'm currently signed in. Then I'm going to tap on this button right here to create my music. Then I will tap on it and make sure you turn on this customize button so you can paste your lyrics. Then I'm going to paste my lyrics right here. It asks me the style of music. If you don't know this style, just go back to ChatGPT where you generated the lyrics and ask it what style of music is best for the song. Can you see it generated like 7 different styles? We can pick anyone. So this style, children pop, I'm going to use this children pop. So I'll copy children pop, go back to my Suno AI and paste it here. Happy children pop. Last one I would say perfect day. Then I am going to tap on the create button at the downside of my screen right here. Then you just wait for a few seconds and the interface is going to bring you to, you're going to see some of the songs you've generated. I've generated all the songs and I love this first one. So if you don't like it, you can create again. You get 50 credits per day and you can use it to create 5 music per day. That means the 5 times you can get 10 music, then you can choose the better ones there. So I'm just going to tap on the 3 dots right here, then scroll down and download it as music, audio rather. Scroll down and see audio here. Then you tap on audio and it is going to save to your phone. The next step is generating our images. You can do this on any generative AI, but for this, I'm using the Microsoft Designer. Using the Microsoft Designer also, come to the description here, tap on the size right here. Tap on the size and change it to wide. Once you change it to wide, then the description, paste what you want. That is the prompts you've generated. Paste it there. Then tap on generate. Can you see this? This is so beautiful. White cat with green eyes. Look at this. Then just tap on anyone, press down on it or tap on the download button and save them to your phone. Repeat the same process for every of the prompts you generated. So I have about 10 prompts I'm going to use to generate images for our music. I just finished generating my images, and can you see that these images are consistent? That's because I included the details, that is the green eyes, the color, fluffy cat in all the images. Like I said, to get this prompt, join my Telegram channel with the link in the description of this video. Now the next part is editing our video together. This we are going to be using CapCut. Open your CapCut app or any video editing app you want to use on your phone or your PC or wherever it is, and tap on new projects and come and bring in the photos you generated. So let's start with the first one, the first 4. Let's input the first 4. So after adding the first 4, come and tap on audio. That is if you're using your smartphone. If you're using your PC, just drag it to the timeline. Then tap on sounds and tap on this box icon right here and tap on device. Then search for the song. It is Perfect Day. So input it and then listen to it. Let's see. With the sun shining bright. Now we are going to make sure we are going to bring our images in one after the other, so that the image will follow what the music is singing. I've inputted my pictures and I aligned it to what the song is singing. Now let's watch a little bit of it. Out in the garden where flowers sway. So can you see that? Just ensure you align your picture with what the song is saying. Now another thing we can do is tap on effects, tap on video effects and add an effect to it so that the picture won't just remain static. I'm going to add an effect under light effects. I'm going to select one of these. Let's say we want to use this. Then tap on it, adjust the speed a little bit, adjust the atmosphere, and then extend this to the end of your video. Doing that, another thing to do is add animation to each of the picture. Just come back, tap on any of the picture, then scroll down and tap on animation. You just put this. Then the next one, you add another animation and you repeat this same process for all the pictures. Let's see how it looks. So the last thing now is to tap on text and tap on auto caption so we can add caption to it. And our caption is ready. We can just tap on the style. Waking up with the sunshine. Then after adding the one I want, the next thing is to export my video if I'm satisfied with what I have by tapping on the export button at the top right hand side of your screen, and your animation is ready. You are ready to upload it on YouTube, upload it wherever you want. So if you find this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.